Finding the courage to change. Blame, guilt, criticism, and fear. As a child, I developed some mistaken ideas. I misunderstood the adult world, and my childish thinking reversed cause and effect. I blamed myself for the emotions of others. I felt guilty because I couldn't figure out how to make them happy. Criticism of my behavior reinforced my beliefs. If only I could make that other person feel happy. If I were a good girl, they would be happy. The more I tried to fix others, the more I failed. And the more I failed, the more I feared failing. I just didn't understand that I was trying to pick up a burden that wasn't mine. I just tried again and again to turn myself inside out and upside down in the effort to fix another. Finally, I gave up in frustration. I couldn't take any more blame, guilt, criticism, or fear. Today, I know that my mistaken ideas were the real problem. I've learned to set down the responsibility that I picked up. I try to mind my own business. As best as I can, I focus on my own thoughts, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. I've discovered that I have total power over myself, and I have no power over anyone else. Often, the best way to help another is to mind my own business, or I can simply listen to them with love and acceptance. I often fall back on my old childish reactions, but I try every day to improve my attitudes and expectations. I've let go of blame, guilt, criticism, and fear. I know how wonderful it feels to be loved and accepted. I can give that to others and to myself.